Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix candy dishwasher not draining, step-by-step troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Force a manual drain cycle. Turn off the dishwasher then hold down the program selection/reset button for a few seconds to force a reset. Run a drain cycle. Select the cancel drain function if your specific candy model has one. Listen closely. Check if you hear a slight humming noise coming from the bottom. A humming sound without water moving usually means the drain pump is trying to work but is physically jammed by an object. Fix 2. Remove standing water and clean the filter. Ensure the dishwasher is disconnected from power for safety. Then use a cup or sponge to bail out the standing water in the bottom of the tub. Now take out the lower dish basket, twist the cylindrical filter counterclockwise, and lift it out, along with the flat mesh grate. Then wash both parts under warm running water using an old toothbrush to clear away food grease, grim, and sticker labels. Now feel around the empty filter housing for any hidden hard objects like bones, broken glass, or plastic that might block the drain intake. Fix 3. Check the sink connection and waste hose. If your dishwasher drains into a kitchen disposal unit, make sure the disposal isn't packed full of food residue. Run it for 30 seconds to clear the shared pathway. Next, inspect the hose for kinks. Look underneath your sink where the gray corrugated drain hose attaches. Ensure the hose is not pinched, twisted, or squished. Clear the plumbing spigot. Disconnect the drain hose from the sink pipe connection. Keep a bucket handy. Use a screwdriver or small brush to inspect the internal connection nozzle for accumulated debris. Fix 4. Inspect the drain pump impeller. Remove the filter system entirely. Some modern models feature a removable plastic tab or pump cover at the very bottom of the sump area, occasionally secured by a single screw. Carefully reach your finger or a tool into the pump opening and feel the fan-like impeller blade. Remove any obstruction. Check for tightly wound hair, rubber bands, or shards of glass that are physically preventing the blade from rotating. If the impeller spins freely but still fails to drain water, the pump motor may have failed and will require professional replacement. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.